Hey dear friends, how are you? I hope you are all well by the graces of Almighty Allah. So in this video, I am going to show you how to fix not registered on network this problem. I can speak briefly and truly that after watching this video, you will be able to fix this problem. For solving not registered on network this problem, you have to just go your smartphone settings as I am going and then click connection option. Different types of smartphone, this option has different place. Just search a while, then you will find out it. As my phone has connection, then scroll down a little bit, then you will find a option there is mobile network. Just click mobile network and take a look in your below that is network operator. Just click here and here you will find your two SIM card. As my phone has GP and BL, as my smartphone probleming in GP, then for solving this right now I have to click just select automatically. Just here click and your phone is already registered. When your area has network fulfilled, then this problem will be solved after doing this. Sometimes when you click select automatically this feature, your smartphone and your network take may see few seconds or few minutes, then your SIM card automatically registered into your network. Just click here and it may take some minutes. After it takes some minutes, your smartphone will register into your network operator. Like this way you can solve this problem. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel.